this chapter we are going to focus on heat zones of the earth. As we all know, there are three heat zones of the earth. This is our earth, this is the equator, this is dividing the earth into two equal parts, northern and southern hemisphere. This is equator, and there are three heat zones. As we all know, in previous lecture we have studied about important latitudes. This is the important latitude that is located at 23.5 degree north, named as Tropic of Cancer. This is located at 23.5 degrees south, named as Tropic of Capricorn. These are important reference lines, latitudes. This is also an important latitude located at 66.5 degree north, named as Arctic Circle. This is at 66.5 degrees south, named as Antarctic Circle. These are 5 important reference latitudes, reference lines. So now one by one we are going to focus on 3 heat zones of the earth. So above the equator at 23.5 degree north and below the equator till 23.5 degrees south, this region from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn, this region is called torrid zone. This region is called torrid zone. So first heat zone of the earth is torrid zone. This is located from 23.5 degrees south to 23.5 degree north, from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. Between these two important latitudes, this torrid zone is located. Equator is passing through the mid of this torrid zone. So first is torrid zone, second Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle, and Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. This is located in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. From Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in northern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle in southern hemisphere. These zones are known as temperate zone. These zones are known as temperate zone. This is also called temperate zone. We can say northern temperate zone or southern temperate zone. North temperate zone, south temperate zone. Next is from 66.5 degree north, from Arctic Circle to North Pole. North Pole 90 degree north. This zone is called frigid zone. We can say North Frigid Zone. This is the third heat zone of the earth, known as Frigid Zone. And this is South Frigid Zone, from Antarctic Circle to South Pole. South Pole is located at 90 degree south. So from Antarctic Circle to South Pole, this is South Frigid Zone. South Frigid Zone. So it is in southern hemisphere, from Antarctic Circle to South Pole, South Frigid Zone. From Arctic Circle to North Pole, North Frigid Zone. So there are 3 heat zones of the earth. First is torrid zone, second is temperate zone, north temperate, south temperate. This is north frigid, third one, and south frigid. There are 3 heat zones of the earth. Now we are going to focus on the temperature of these 3 heat zones of the earth. As we all know, earth is spherical in shape, and due to its spherical shape, the sun rays that our earth is having, that is different from one latitude to other latitude. So because of this spherical in shape, different heat zones have different temperatures. So torrid zone is the hottest zone of the earth. Why it is hottest? Temperate zone has the moderate temperature. Why it has the moderate temperature? And frigid zone is extremely cold. Why it is extremely cold? Now we are going to focus here. So first is torrid zone. As we all know, this is our sun, and this zone receives direct sun rays. This zone, torrid zone, receives direct heat of the sun, direct rays of the sun. That's why it is extremely hot. Next is temperate zone. As we all know, this temperate zone is receiving slanting sun rays. So because of this slanting sun rays, this zone is neither too hot nor too cold. It has the temperature that is moderate. So it is moderate in temperature, temperate zone. And third one is the frigid zone. It is extremely cold. As we all know, very less amount of sun rays this zone is receiving. This is frigid zone, as it is cleared by its name, frigid zone. It is a freezing cold because it is receiving very less amount of sun rays. That's why it is extremely cold.